Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Streamlabs OBS for Android Facecam streaming. The camera on most computers leaves much to be desired. Fortunately, smartphone cameras have gotten better and better over the years. In this guide, we will show you how to use your iPhone or Android camera as a webcam for your computer using Streamlabs Desktop. What you will need is a tripod or mount for your smartphone, Streamlabs Desktop installed on your computer, and a USB microphone. Here's an instruction for Mac and iPhone users. So set up your iPhone on the tripod or mount, position the camera as you want it. Then open your Streamlabs Desktop and go to one of your scenes. Add a video capture device source by clicking the plus button. Then select your capture card if you have one as the device. Add another video capture device source and select your iPhone from the drop-down list. Choose the resolution you want your webcam to be. Reposition, resize, and crop the webcam feed as needed. Then add a microphone for commentary by going to Settings, then Audio and selecting your USB microphone or iPhone microphone. When it comes to Android and Windows users, here's what you're going to do. Go to video.ninja and create a reusable invite. Generate the invite link and QR code. Then scan the QR code with your smartphone and allow access to your camera and microphone. Select your front or back camera and start the video. Open Streamlabs Desktop and go to one of your scenes. Add a browser source and paste the invite link into the URL field. Reposition, resize, and crop the webcam feed as needed. Add a USB microphone for commentary if needed. If you're using a Mac, add a audio input capture source to pull in audio from your iPhone or Android device. Mute the microphone input from your smartphone if you are not using it for commentary. Using your smartphone as a webcam for your computer is a great way to improve the quality of your video feed. With Streamlabs Desktop, you can easily set up and use your smartphone as a webcam. And that's how to use Streamlabs OBS for Android Facecam streaming. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.